Hello everyone, this is a video on scientific notation. So one of the topics that are gonna be on your certification exam is scientific notation. So how do you put a number in scientific notation? I have a step-by-step procedure for doing this. So here are your steps. Step 1, find your significant figures. So let's do an example as I am telling you how to do this so that it is a little more obvious. So here's my lovely number, and I'm gonna have two of them. I'm gonna have a number with a decimal point and a number without a decimal point. So here's my number, let's see, 7800 10000. This is my number 1, and my second number is 0. Let's make this big. 0.0000351. So, step 1, find the sig figs. Well, let's do that. Like I said in my video about sig figs, you need to find the first non-zero number in your number as you're moving away from the decimal point. So in this case, I'm moving to the left. In the other case, I'm moving to the right. So moving to the left, my first non-zero number is 1. And this one and all the numbers after it are sig figs. In this case, I'm moving to the right. My first non-zero number is 3. This number and all the numbers behind it are significant figures. So let's move on to step 2. Step 2, we would have to move the decimal point behind the very first sig fig of our number. Now this is important because in this step you're always counting from the left. So the very first sig fig of our number as you count from the left. So in this case, in the case of our top number, as I count from the left side, this is my first sig fig. So I need to put my decimal point right behind my 7. Somewhere over here. Okay. Now, in the other number, as I move from left to right, my first sig fig is 3. So my decimal point goes right behind 3, right here. Okay. So now that we've done that, step 3. Count how many decimal places you had to move your decimal point. All right, so let's do this. In my big number over here, I have started from this side. I have started right here, and it doesn't want to cooperate. And then I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 spots. This is 12. In my other number, I have started from the decimal point once again, and this time I'm moving to the right, and I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so this is 6. Okay. So now that I've done this, let's do my last step. Step 4. Write down your number. Now your number is always going to look like this. You're going to have sig figs with new decimal point times 10 to the power of spaces you went. You moved your decimal point. Now, if you went to the left, then it is positive. If you move to the right, then it is negative. So don't forget, if you moved to the right, the exponent is negative. If you move to the left, it is positive. So how does this look like? Very, very straightforward. So in the case of the big number, I had 7.8 times 10 to the 12. So this is 7.8 times 10 to the 12. And it is 12 because I have moved to the right. Now, in case of this number, it really does not want to cooperate. It's 3.51. Oh, I made a mistake over here. This is not 7.8. This is 7.8001 times 10 to the 12. Now this one is 3.51 times 10 to the negative 6. It is negative because I moved to the right. And that is it.